Hey everyone, how's it going? Got some training drills for you today. It's a fun one. It's a little different than what you might be used to. You might be more used to a Chongo mount. And if you don't know what that is, don't know how to do it, check out our SLACKROBATS YouTube channel for a free tutorial. Now, today, we're gonna be working with a reverse Chongo mount. So real quick, come with me over here. Chongo mount, we're facing the line with our chest, yeah? Boom. This is what it traditionally will look like. Facing the line with our chest or facing the opposite ankle point. Yeah? Okay. Today, chest, mostly, or body faces away from the line. We're gonna work on reverse Chongo mount. We got 4 progressions, so I'm gonna try to burn through these quickly, give you more time to train, stop listening to me. Here we go. First one is just a regular reverse Chongo mount. Facing away from the line, and bring the leg up. Right leg, left arm, opposites. I'm gonna throw the arm out. I can still look at the ankle point for a little assistance with my balance. And I'm gonna bring this free leg up, stand up. That's the idea. Just get to the point where you feel comfortable doing that. It's phase 1, okay? Come down, try again. Phase 1, here's one more time. Putting the weight right in the center of the foot, most closer to the ball mount than the heel, dropping the heel down. Look at my drishti point, arm up for flare and help balance. Lifting the hips to get that foot up. Standing up, finding a little bit of settledness, a little bit of balance, a little calm. Coming down. Number 2, progression 2, go up, go down. Reverse Chongo. I'm up. Now I want to go back down without touching the ground. So I'm going to reverse it, reaching this hand out for the line. I'm going to find it, take the weight, take this foot off. Okay? So we're just going up and down. Phase 2, reverse Chongo up, reverse Chongo down. Okay. We like to stay balanced here at SLACKROBATS, so try it on both sides. I'm going to save you time and just tell you about it. I want you to go home and train it. Okay, we're going to work progression 3 now. We're going to go reverse Chongo up. We're going to rotate, so we're going to turn and then go down. This is what it looks like. Starting here, facing this direction. Chongo mount up. I'm going to rotate, looking at the anchor, now looking the opposite way. And we want you to drop down onto the opposite side. Left hand was the first time. I'm facing the other direction, so it's going to be right hand coming down, weight into the arm, let the leg go free. Boom, progression 3. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like on the other side since I'm here. Come up, rotate around, come down. Boom. All right, that's progression 3. To wrap it up real quick, we're going to put all that together and make progression 4. Go up, turn, drop down, back up, turn around, come down. All one complete motion without coming onto the ground. Reverse Chongo. Up. We're going to turn. Come down. Drop down the opposite side. Woo. Come back up. Turn. Drop back down. There you go. Got a lot there to work with. Send us your videos. We want to see what it looks like.